This is a video for an eBay auction. I think this is a air cleaner for a Ford, even though it's red. But maybe it's international, I don't know, Farmall, but I think it's Ford. As you can see, it's missing the bottom cup that would hold the oil. It's got the wire mesh. There's a little bit of dent there. It's got the hasps. Got the hose for the connector and the inlet right there. It weighs roughly 6 to 7 pounds, not including the box. And it'll be shipped in about a 15 by 10 by 8 package. Thanks for looking.